Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about clearing the Facebook cache on your Facebook mobile app. So whether you're running iOS or Android, doesn't really matter. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the Facebook app, and then you want to select your profile icon in the top right corner. So go ahead and select it. And then go down to settings and privacy to expand that. Select the settings button. And now underneath preferences, go down and select browser. Where it says under browsing activity, cookies and cache, you go ahead and select the clear button. Clear cookies and cache. If you clear the cookies and cache from sites you visited on Facebook, will be removed from your device. Select clear. And that is all you have to do. It'll tell you the last time it was cleared, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.